Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common screening test for cervical cancer? The correct answer is Pap smear. A Pap smear, Papnicola test, is the primary screening method for cervical cancer, detecting precancerous and cancerous cells. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. Which of the following is often referred to as the silent killer among gynecological malignancies due to its non-specific symptoms in early stages? The correct answer is ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is often called the silent killer because its early symptoms are vague and non-specific, leading to late diagnosis. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Which of the following is a major risk factor for endometrial cancer? The correct answer is obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for endometrial cancer due to increased estrogen production in adipose tissue. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which of the following is a common symptom of uterine prolapse? The correct answer is sensation of a bulge or something falling out from the vagina. The sensation of a bulge or something falling out from the vagina is a classic symptom of uterine prolapse. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which of the following is a major predisposing factor for pelvic organ prolapse? The correct answer is chronic constipation. Chronic constipation and straining during defecation increase intra-abdominal pressure, contributing to pelvic organ prolapse. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. A non-surgical management option for uterine prolapse, especially in women who desire future fertility or are not surgical candidates, is. The correct answer is pessary insertion. Pessaries are devices inserted into the vagina to provide support for prolapsed organs and are a common non-surgical treatment. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. Primary infertility is typically defined as the inability to conceive after how many months of regular, unprotected intercourse? The correct answer is 12 months. Primary infertility is defined as the inability to conceive after 12 months of regular, unprotected intercourse in women under 35 or 6 months in women over 35. Sariyana Badil, 12. 35, 6. Question 8. Which of the following is the most common initial investigation for male factor infertility? The correct answer is semen analysis. Semen analysis is the cornerstone of male infertility evaluation, assessing sperm count, motility, and morphology. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. In women with ovulatory dysfunction, which medication is commonly used to induce ovulation? The correct answer is clomiphene citrate. Clomiphene citrate is a selective estrogen receptor modulator commonly used to induce ovulation in anovulatory women. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which assisted reproductive technology, ART, involves fertilization of an egg by sperm outside the body, followed by embryo transfer into the uterus? The correct answer is in vitro fertilization, IVF. In vitro fertilization, IVF, is the process of fertilizing an egg with sperm outside the body and then transferring the resulting embryo into the uterus. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. The primary mechanism of action of combined oral contraceptive pills, COCs, is the correct answer is inhibition of ovulation. Combined oral contraceptive pills primarily work by inhibiting ovulation through suppression of FSH and LH. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Emergency contraception is most effective when taken within how many hours of unprotected intercourse? The correct answer is 72 hours. Emergency contraceptive pills are most effective when taken as soon as possible, ideally within 72 hours, 3 days, of unprotected intercourse. Sariyana Badil, 72. 3. Question 13. The PM Kusum scheme, recently mentioned in news for its impact in Gujarat, is primarily related to which sector? The correct answer is solar energy for farmers. The PM Kusum scheme aims to promote the use of solar energy for agricultural purposes, particularly for irrigation pumps. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. As per a recent analysis of Parliament's budget session, which type of parties generally demonstrated the highest average member of Parliament, MP, attendance? The correct answer is smaller parties. The analysis showed that smaller parties demonstrated the highest average MP attendance during the recent budget session, with RLP and RLD achieving 100% attendance. Sariyana Badil. 100%. Question 15. The Rooftop Solar Campaign, recently launched in Delhi, aims to offer subsidies and assistance for installation. Which of the following is a key feature of the updated process? The correct answer is completion of the process online in 2 stages. The New Delhi Rooftop Solar Campaign streamlines the process, allowing it to be completed online in 2 stages, replacing the earlier 3-stage system. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.